Race number 7. Cesar Gabriel Rodolfo, Damong Ligaw, Gawang Pinoy, sorry, outside third, Spirit in fourth, Divine Wisdom, then followed by Man of Honor, and Si Barreto is the early player, Gabriel Rodolfo, Damong Ligaw, Gawang Pinoy, joining them on the outside, Spirit in fourth, Man of Honor, Divine Wisdom, Gabriel Rodolfo just in front, moving up on the outside, now is Gawang Pinoy to take the lead. Gawang Pinoy by line, Gabriel Rodolfo in second, then racing into Damong Ligaw is Spirit and Man of Honor, and it's still Gawang Pinoy by about half a lane, Gabriel Rodolfo is running by Drala, is Spirit in third, running by the fourth, Man of Honor and Damong Ligaw, and it's still Gawang Pinoy running on the outside, Gabriel Rodolfo is running by Drala, Gawang Pinoy, Gabriel Rodolfo now is running by Drala, Gawang Pinoy on the outside, Spirit is racing in third, Gawang Pinoy once again by about half a lane, Gabriel Rodolfo, Spirit is racing in the last, they come down at the last 150, Gawang Pinoy by about the last, Gabriel Rodolfo, Spirit, but still Gawang Pinoy, Spirit, Gabriel Rodolfo, Gawang Pinoy, Spirit is on the outside, Gawang Pinoy, Spirit, Gawang Pinoy, Spirit, but still Gawang Pinoy, Gabriel Rodolfo, Spirit, Divine Wisdom, and Damong Ligaw.
Nakita niyo po tayong Kirvista ang bakbakan dito sa ating race number 7 kung saan nanaig itong numero 8 Gawang Pinoy over the 2-horse Gabriel Rodolfo. Ating pong balikan ang pakitang gilas ng ating unofficial winner dito sa ating replay.